How to delete a video on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, all you have to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now as you tap on it, you'll be led to your profile where you can see your post and different things other than that, like your following, followers, and the number of likes. So all you have to do is just go to any of the video that you would want to delete and then tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. Then just swipe it for the bottom menu over here, and then at the very end you'll be able to see the option of delete. So tap on delete, and then it will give you a pop-up that you can restore this post within 30 days from activity center in settings. So tap on delete, and there you go, you have deleted a video on TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.